Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by naming the form and setting a single, measurable purpose that guides every choice you make. Start with question planning. Decide which 5-10 items capture outcomes, demographics, or actions. Once done, choose a template or blank form and set response settings, collect emails, or allow anonymous replies, because that affects follow-up and data quality. Make sure to select required fields sparingly. They raise completion friction, so only force answers when absolutely necessary. Now you focus on structure and flow. Break the form into sections to make it feel shorter and to control pacing. Apply conditional branching so respondents only see relevant questions. This reduces drop-off and improves data quality. Choose question types deliberately. Multiple choice for quick decisions, scales for attitudes, short answer for nuance. Also, use descriptions and examples to clarify tricky items because clear prompts produce cleaner, analyzable responses. Finish by previewing and sending test copies to 3 people using different devices. You want to catch layout or validation issues. Once tested, enable response validation for numeric or email formats and craft a concise confirmation message so respondents know next steps. After rollout, export to Sheets to confirm column mapping and clean data. If responses look off, check required questions and branching rules first. Those are the usual culprits, and fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.